this is going to be our next shot. Is breakfast on the pool.
Floating
Kitty is
breakfast,
still
baby.
floating breakfast. Yes, Kitty is still hungry, and Ploy is preparing the whole scene, and I'll be the actor and the actress. Tired actress. Okay. That's what I was talking about, and I'm going to record some good stuff. She's the mastermind. There we go. We have the photographer in action.
1, 2, 3.
This is my turn to steal some skills from Ploy. She knows the stuff.
นี่ก็สวยใช่ๆนี้ก็สวย
Good morning, people. We just switched the hotel from the old villa to this new one, and in the meanwhile we got food poisoning, and I've been to the hospital a bit.
And we are in the hospital. Poor guy, he gets sick. He got poisoning.
Had it. Food poisoning.
Look like a vegetable now.
Thank you.
Okay. Say hi.
Hi.
Bye.
Goodbye. I'll get injection now.
Okay.
And now it was KP's turn. Yesterday she felt pretty sick, but
Very bad.
I think we are getting better slower and slower. But yes, we are in a new hotel. We are recording some more, also some photo shoots. We will go to the Phuket Old Town, and I think this trip was more like a business trip than pleasure, so we just didn't have that much time to record before the scenes, but I will try to add as much as possible. Okay. We got to the Kata beach, and actually it's more full than the last time. Have Ploy here, who just had a meeting. I think she has the best office in town. And KP with you. They took some more photos because after 3 days of photos, KP didn't have enough.
Never try a photo.
Very, very pretty. What would you like more? We'll just enjoy the water. Maybe do some surfing. Let's see. The waves are not that big. Oh, it's very sandy out here. This is the final round of our trip. We pause a lot for the hotels. I will share with you some of the content, of course, photos, a lot of photos. And we end up in this Marriott, Courtyard Marriott. Is close to Nayang Beach. Is close to the airport actually. Super cool. It's very, very big. We are not staying here, but we are just grabbing the lunch. We got offer from
The
from
hotel manager.
from the hotel manager, which is pretty cool. And right now is like reflux I think, not sure, sorry if I pronounce it wrong, but here it should be full of water, but it's not right now. So we are just chilling, looking for crabs. KP has the
Big crab.
big crab. KP has the traveling pajama on. It's very, very comfy. I think it's her friend brand.
Yes, it's Gonchanok official. I will put it the Instagram.
Sure,
here.
we can do it. We can do it for friends always. But yeah, we are just going to grab the lunch here. The rest of the crew is like back there on by the table, just chilling. You know, it's a nice place. We have 2 hours to relax, and then we'll just go to get back home, or KP's home.
Our
Okay.
home.
Thank you for sticking with us. It was very hard for us, this journey. We also got sick, so probably that's what made it super hard. But thank you for sticking until the end, whoever stayed. Don't forget to, all the drills, subscribe, like, and share. That would be amazing, and that would help me a lot. Love you guys. Have a good one. Bye.
Bye.